Do you want to know how you can add your email address on your 1xBet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your email address to your 1xBet account. Go ahead and search for 1xBet.com and log into your account. Then the next step is to hover around your profile and click on Personal Profile. After you click on Personal Profile, this page will load up, and if it doesn't, wait for a while because your internet might have some problems. So go ahead and scroll a bit down and you can see email address over here. This option is currently locked because this account has not been verified, so you need to go to your email address or Google account and verify your email address, and then this lock will be unlocked and this pen button will appear. Then you can click the pen button and then you can change your email address or add email address to your 1xBet account. So guys, this is how you add your email address to your 1xBet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.